Today we will talk about how to do KYC verification at BuyUcoin. Open BuyUcoin app and tap on account. Now tap on KYC option. Tap on PAN card and proceed to capture ID. Now click a photo of your PAN card and select Use this document option. Again tap on Aadhaar card and proceed to capture ID. Now click photo of your Aadhaar card's front and back side by following same steps. Now tap on selfie and proceed to take selfie. Wait for few seconds. Congratulations, your KYC is verified successfully. Thanks for watching. Please go like the video and subscribe our BuyUcoin YouTube channel.